Hello students, in the previous class we have studied about the packing efficiency and we have learned that different types of cubic unit cells differ in their packing fractions. That means it is with respect to the space occupied by the constituting particles. So these are expected to differ in their relative densities also. So let us derive a general relation between edge length and the density in a unit cell. For that, let me consider this. Let A be the edge length of the unit cell and Z, it is the number of atoms per unit cell, and M be the mass of an atom. Then we know that density is mass by volume. Therefore, volume of the cubic unit cell is equal to A cube. It is length into height into breadth, and each length is A. So it is A into A means it is A cube. And mass of unit cell is equal to number of atoms in a unit cell multiplied by mass of each atom. How many atoms are there? That is multiplied by mass of each atom. So here there are Z number of atoms and mass of each atom is M. So I have written Z into M. But mass in terms of Avogadro number, in terms of atomic mass, we have mass of each atom small m is equal to molar mass. That means capital M divided by Avogadro number Na. Therefore, mass of unit cell, this mass of unit cell Z I have written into M means it is M by Na, hence molar mass divided by Avogadro number. We have the relation, that is density of the unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. It is mass by volume. So what is mass here? Mass of unit cell, it is Z into M by Na. Z into M by Na, and volume of unit cell is A cube. So this is relation between density and edge length. Therefore, density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Here, A is edge length is expressed in centimeter, and M means molar mass, it is expressed in gram per mole, and density should be expressed in gram per cm cube. Okay, for one thing, for ionic compounds, M, capital M means it is a formula mass of the compound, and Z, it is number of formula units per unit cell. For NaCl and zinc sulfide, these are ionic compounds. For that, Z, it is formula units is equal to 4, and for cesium chloride, Z, it is equal to 1. Okay, let us see one numerical problem based on this. This question was asked in 2018, which carries 2 marks. Okay, an element having atomic mass 107.9 unified mass has FCC lattice. The edge length of its unit cell is 408.6 picometer. Calculate density of the unit cell. For that, Avogadro number is given, that is Na is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 per mole. Okay. Now, what is given here? Atomic mass. So, let us write given atomic mass, that is capital M is equal to 107.9 unified mass U. So, let us express this in gram per mole, that is 107.9 gram per mole. Now, edge length of the unit cell, that is A is equal to, it is 408.6 picometer, that is 408.6 into 10 raised to, pico means it is 10 raised to minus 12 meter. Always edge length should be expressed in centimeter. So it is 408.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Then as it is a FCC lattice, so since in it is a FCC, face centered cubic unit cell, number of atoms per unit cell, that is Z is equal to, in face centered cubic unit cell there are 4 atoms, so Z is equal to 4. Now we'll write the formula, that is density of the unit cell. We have the formula D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Avogadro number. Substituting the values, what is Z here? It is 4 into M, 107.9 gram per mole divided by A cube. It is 408.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter cube into Avogadro number. It is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 per mole. If you calculate, you will get density as 10.5 gram per cm cube. So the answer is density of the unit cell D is equal to 10.5 gram per cm cube. Let us see one more question which was asked in recently concluded examination 2020. This also carries 2 marks. Try to solve this. Calcium metal crystallizes in a face-centered cubic lattice with edge length of 0.556 nanometer. Calculate the density of the metal. It's a direct question, very simple. For that, it is given atomic mass of calcium, that is capital M is given. It is a 40 gram per mole, and Avogadro number is also given. Na is equal to 6.022 10 raised to 23 atoms per mole. So you have to calculate the density. Use the density formula. D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Here, as it is a face centered cubic lattice, so Z is equal to 4 and A edge length is 0.556 nanometer. Convert this into centimeter and solve this question. Try to solve many more questions like this so that you will become perfect. Thank you.